What's up, beautiful people? You're welcome to this Baby Doge Coin Live. Today, I want us to look at some Baby Doge Coin news. We're going to look at the charts of Baby Doge Coin, analyze what is going on in the market, and see whether it is possible for us to buy or maybe not to buy, stay away from the market. But this analysis is going to help you understand what is going on with the project, how is it being reflected on the chart, being price action, and what are the decisions you need to make to help you maximize gains in this space. If you are new on my platform, this is the BETONG Crypto. I'm all about helping anyone out there who is interested in making a living or build wealth through cryptocurrency, to understand market structure, to understand when to buy, when to take out profit, how to analyze the market. I try to look at different ways in which we can approach the market, and the end goal is to make more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the alpha, and if you understand Bitcoin, then you are always going to be profitable investing or trading any altcoin in the market. So today, let's dive into it. I can see my beautiful daughter is the first who is live here with us today. Adele, you're welcome. I can see you there right away from Finland. Saying that you're okay. You are the best. Thank you. That's my daughter saying. All right, guys. Let's dive right away to our show today, and yeah, let's dive straight away. Um, this is crypto bubble. I think let me go to crypto bubble quickly. So I'm looking at now crypto bubbles, and I'm looking at the entire crypto market, and what I want to see there is actually what is going on with the top projects out there, and you can see clearly on the daily time frame there isn't any thing going on there. Today Bitcoin isn't doing well, so all of these coins that you see in red, the bubbles in red, the bubbles that Bitcoin is outperforming, and the bubbles in green are the bubbles that are outperforming Bitcoin. And if we look at the 200 project in the crypto space, you can see here we have more greens, and as we keep going to the top, like 300 project, you're gonna see more green. Degen has been doing so well. This bad boy was sleeping. I was in a position in Degen, and I'm happy that this kick off that quickly. But you can see overall the entire market is not doing that well because Bitcoin isn't doing that well. Mostly meme coins are doing well in the markets, which is awesome. Those of you who understand how to trade meme coins, or who understand how to degen meme coins, then you are good to go always when your coin give the green light. Baby Doge Coin, I know most of you who have been holding Baby Doge Coin, you have been waiting for a long time, and finally this baby is starting or started moving. Now let's look at this. Baby Dogecoin volume has increased 10% as of now. Like, it's now at 25 million, let's say 25.5 million, right? Which is great. We want to stay in this way. I think we should stay between 25, 35, 50 million, 100 million. So the more the volume keep increasing, the more we can see or the more likely the price is going to go up. And I think maybe we can do look quickly here on Ethereum chain to see if say there is an increase in holders. I think we should look at Ethereum and BNB smart chain. If say we have an increment in the holders, I think we should have increase in holders. I don't know. That should be the case. We are now at Etascan. The holders have increased by 0.091%. It's now at 19,700. Or I don't know if like I didn't record the last numbers. I don't know if say these numbers, but I think it has increased to this amount. And if we look at the BAC, scan the BAC chain. Let's see how many holders. Yeah, this one I think it has increased also. We have 1.8 million. Very soon we're gonna go to 1.9 million. So I want to see 2 million holders. I think when we get to 2 million holders, it's gonna be awesome. But you can see here, the holders keep increasing. You can see the percentage here. It's increased to 0.005%. We want to see this happen because the more we keep seeing holders, this good news that major exchanges are listing this bad boy is gonna be good for us long term. And I really do appreciate you guys who have been here with me, looking at the data, looking at what is going on with them in the market, and you guys have been awesome. Making the right decisions, staying in the market. I can see Sky F, hello brother, thanks for being on, and looking forward to learning a thing or two from you as well. Yeah, always, I'm happy to have you guys here with me. Keep sending your question. If said there's anything you don't understand, you can feel free to comment below, and I'm going to do my possible best to respond to you accordingly. Now, let's get to the juicy part of what I want us to look at today. I think we should first of all look at what is going on with the baby. Then some news here. Let's see. We got some recent news. It says here that Poppy.phone update. So they haven't stopped building. They keep building this utility. They are still developing this platform, and this is a sign that the project is long term. And again, guys, you don't be scared. I don't want to like talk about this as if I'm a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want you to understand that this project has come a long way, and there's a risk in investing in any project. This coin is one of those coins that can make you money, and you can as well lose money. So if you're taking any risk, be rest assured that you need to go in with some sort of risk management. That's why you trade this looking at what Bitcoin is doing, and you look at news update. If the community keep building a new product, and in this case they haven't stopped building, so right now we can rightly say that price is reflecting what has been going on with the project long term. So price is catching up with some fundamentals. There's a lot of stuff I'm going to show you guys today that will confirm what we have been seeing in the past and what is going on. So you can see they are still developing this platform, coming soon, Poppy.phone, and I love that they are going to be using part of the funds or most of the profit that they're going to make from this platform to buy and burn Baby Doge Coin. So this project alone will help take most of the coins out of circulation into the burn wallet. It's good to know this. And if we go further, you're gonna see, like, we can see this millionaire giveaway. I don't know if this has passed. This was on 1st October. It says 10 winner will receive 10 billion Baby Doge Coin each. So it's good to see that other platforms are trying to create awareness, create giveaways. I'm going to be coming with my own giveaways in the future. I think if I hit 6,000 followers on YouTube, I'm going to get subscribers, 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm going to do a Baby Doge Coin giveaway for sure, because you guys have been awesome with me. So you can see, if you move further, Baby Doge is live on Millionaire Spot Market. So this is another exchange that just listed Baby Doge Coin, and I love what I'm seeing here. You can scroll down. Did you subscribe to Poppy.phone notification yet? So you can subscribe, and Baby Doge Coin has been trending on Twitter, on X, which is awesome. I love these guys. So I just want you guys to understand that if you have invested in this coin and you are scared, right? Don't be scared, because I don't want to sound like a financial advisor or like someone who is part of the team. No, I'm not passionate when I love something and I see how they are building. I've loved this project for some time now, but it doesn't mean that I have to just go in without caution, without looking at fundamentals, looking at what the team are doing to make them more relevant in the crypto space. So, excuse, Baby Doge Power is about to hit 10 million users. Are you playing yet? Again, more utilities, more opportunities for investors to make money from this project, and I have a strategy that I'm going to teach you at the end of this video. Guys, remind me. Usually, I want to do something and I'm carried away in the course of it, and I'm going to end up not doing it. But remind me, guys, if you're watching, I'm going to end up giving you guys a strategy on how you can actually make more Baby Doge coin for sure. So let's see on down Baby Doge as an angel with halo dramatic lighting from behind floating in the sky. Epic. So I just love what is going on. I think we have gone through all of this before this news here. So what we're gonna do next is go and look at what the chart is saying. I can see you account for good. Let's get to now the business of today. And I want us to focus more on trading, like this setting. I know most of you are not familiar with this setting. This is my trading setting. This is the chart I use to trade. If I want to trade, this is the chart I use to trade, and this chart is awesome. And what I look at on this chart is just I have these moving averages here. I have the BETONG moving average. I also have the 50-day moving average. I have the 5-day and the 13-day EMA. So right now, after this dip, where I'm looking at this on the 2 hours time frame, let me go to the 1 hour time frame so we can look at this in like properly. Now you can see clearly it shows that Baby Doge coin is about to reverse or want to reverse from here. And what might happen here is this, or what you should expect to happen is this. This is the structure here that we are seeing. This is the minor structure, and this is the major structure. Let me just draw it so you can see. So this is the minor structure, and this is the major structure. So for us to actually confirm we have broken the minor structure, or maybe price is going to reverse and start moving back to the upside, we have to first of all break the minus structure, and price should go above the 50-day moving average and then come back hold. And if price is going to do this, the trendillo is going to do something like this, at least to an extent, go up, then come down and form divergence here. So this is what might happen on the 1 hour time frame. But looking at where we are right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum, these major cryptocurrencies, we are not seeing any huge volume in the market. Now, let me be realistic with some predictions, Baby Doge coin predictions, because we have to look at the bigger picture. Now, let me look at the 4 hours time frame. Looking at the 4 hours time frame right now, my chart is so is so dirty because I've been doing analysis with you guys long time, and now based on what I've taught you guys in the past, we have come to a zone where we can call it support, right? And this zone was a zone where the alpha trend printed a buy signal. Guys, what I've always mentioned to you guys is that whenever you see the alpha trend print a buy signal, whatever time frame you're trading, if you want to get a better entry, wait until you see the alpha trend print another sell signal, then that's sell signal take price right down to the zone where the buy signal was printed. You can see this zone here. Now you want to see multiple rejection when price get there. If price get there and you see multiple rejections, then you can now confirm that this might be the zone where price want to reject from. And for you to actually be certain that this might be the zone, then you can fall down to lower time frame and see what price is doing on lower time frame. Is price breaking structure on lower time frame? If price is breaking structure on lower time frame, then you want to place your buy order. You can do it spot, and then you can easily cash out your profit, easily. Even if that profit is $10, you can easily cash it out when price get to this level. This is going to be, let's say, how many percent move. If say we see something like that, this is going to be about, let's say, 19% move. Yeah, about 19% move. So from there, if say you buy, you can now sell 90% gains with a profit of, let's say you have $100, you can make $20 from that $100, and you keep that aside in USDT. So I would recommend that you have a trading wallet for Baby Doge Coin. That's why I recommend you to use most of the links that that you can find at the description of this video to trade with me on those exchanges, because you can see, we have this volume, this vector here, and ever since price created this vector here, we haven't seen price break below and even break below to go and make lower lows here. And based on structure, if price is not able to break this zone here, then we are still in an uptrend, because we have to look at what I mean by uptrend. I means we are preparing to reverse. And you can see when price was going down, price was forming this red vector candle. And whenever you see a red vector candle like this, it means that the market makers, they are preparing to push price back to the upside. So this represents smart money. They are taking out profits after pumping the market. I showed you guys earlier in my previous videos that when you see these vectors like this, for you to start saying that the market makers are back in the market, you must see these red vector candles. I mentioned this even before this red vector came on in the picture. So you can see now, as I mentioned again, we are expecting this zone, and we should expect a huge bounce back from this zone. Now, if say you would have been a swing trader, a scalper, you would have taken advantage of this move, knowing that if price get here, you can buy instantly and take out profit when price at least get to this area here, like towards this zone here, because before price rejected this zone multiple times. So guys, there's a lot of thought process behind trading, investing, Baby Doge Coin or whatsoever coin you want to invest in. But the only difference with most of these coins is that these coins have to gather their momentum from the big daddy. Okay, that's why you're gonna see me always encourage you guys to look at what the big daddy is doing. When you understand what the big daddy is doing, then you can easily, make a decision that will favor you most at times. So let's go and look what the big daddy is doing. We're going to come back to Baby Doge Coin. And it's important we see what the big daddy is doing. Now, the big daddy is recovering, no doubt, after this dump. And look at where price retrace from, and what are you seeing from the retracement? You're seeing red vector candles, multiple red vector candles. So, and also price has bounced from the BETONG moving average. Guys, this is my moving average, this is my indicator. I use it mostly when I'm trading. That's why you guys don't see it most at times when I'm doing analysis. I just would love to stay on a chart like this, because I can still come, on this chart and stay here, and I can still do that. Like for example, if I'm here now, I'm gonna look at the same data, but the chart would be more cleaner. But I won't really know what is going on, because I don't have my indicators. This chart is mostly based on me looking at the market and build structure. Then the other chart is more of when I want to trade the market or swing trade the market. Let me put it that way. So now I remember I explained to you guys that this zone we might expect a pullback. Like if price get there, we might expect pullback, and price got there, and we have seen this stopping hold on candle multiple times here. 1, 2. So what do you expect price to do? Well, personally, I expect price to at least recover all of this vector here, so we can see we can see Bitcoin go right up to $63,000. So if Bitcoin is gonna go to $63,000 500, we can already measure how many percent we can make from that move. So let's see, from here to that zone, that's about 3%. So can Bitcoin move 3% today? Of course it can. But the thing is, if Bitcoin is moving 3%, then what do you think will happen with Baby Doge Coin? Of course, you know what will happen. Baby Doge Coin is going to move more than Bitcoin, and this is the zone we are looking at. The same zone I mentioned to you, looking at this 1 hour time frame, about 19% gains. So you being in Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing would have prompt you to sell your Bitcoin, then get some Baby Doge coin, and then make more profit. So this is one of the strategy that you can utilize. You play with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going down, fine. You know Baby Doge coin is gonna go down more. But most at times you have to look at what Baby Doge coin is doing as well. Because if say Bitcoin has gotten to a point where we might see a possible reversal, then the Doge coin is going to reverse as well. It's going to reverse, and this should be more on when we have seen like more downward trend for Baby Doge coin or Bitcoin. So this analysis I think is important if say you want to look at the bigger picture, want to look at what point is doing, you want to like take advantage of market structure, all of this good stuff. So I don't know if you guys have any questions, if this was understood. You can apply this whenever you want to. Feel free feel free to send the coins so I can analyze it quickly. But if you don't have any coin, then we're gonna call this a go for today. I don't want this video to be so long, so that someone else can come and watch it. Guys, you have seen like my video is gonna help you always, regardless which coin I'm talking about. I'm talking mostly about how you can, get the best entries, the best entry out there in this space. Many influencers or YouTubers are gonna come to you, tell you just buy this or just do analysis. But you can see what I do. I know what I do. This is like in my in my fingertips, like in my palms, my palms, like palms. Oh boy, so I know I'm confident in what I do, and I do it like as if it's like ABC. So I just want you guys to be patient. When you look at the market, don't rush in anything. Be patient. We have like the next 10 years, the next 20 years to make more money. So don't rush to want to make it like that in a day. If you're losing money, then it's because you are not being patient enough. I myself have been in that boat that I, you know, always lose money. I make money, then I don't know when to sell. I buy, don't know when to sell. I just go being all over the place. But this time around, I have been doing the right thing, and the same knowledge I want to impact to you guys. I don't just want to say, okay, this project is good. I have to explain to you why I think this project is like this or is like that. But it doesn't mean that I want you to buy it and hold or put everything you got in it. No, always learn to diversify your portfolio. And if you're trading or investing, you need to look at tier, look at levels to give you a better entry. If this makes sense, then thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ciao, guys. Peace.